what's up guys, this is Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I'm back at it, completely different, unique. Like I always say guys, stay in your lane. Here we go, man. Got a Benz, old school baby, DUBs. Hey, tell me the name of these guys. Tell me the names in the comments. I'll see if you guys remember these wheels. Back in the day, this is probably 8, 9 years, maybe even 10 years ago these wheels came out. And the car, going back, doing this thing. DUBs guys, dubs, spinners. And listen, you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. That's what they say, old school baby, coast to coast. Always something unique and always something different. Peace. Guys, it's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and we are putting wheels on this Rolls Royce Wraith today. Gorgeous car. We love the Rolls Royce Double R. Can't go wrong. 24s fit perfect, guys. 255/30/24. I tried to put a 275/30. It's a little bit wider, but it touched the plastic a little bit. You can't put that on. You gotta put a 255/30/24. Tire works perfect, guys. That's a plus right there. These are forged wheels, fully forged, black and machine. 24 is the big cap. Of course, you gotta get the big double R. You can't go back. It's Rolls Royce, baby. That's what it's about. And we put them on the car, but we didn't like the way it sat. So we're getting a hub-centric spacer. Push it out a little bit. You don't want to have your wheels sitting in tight. It's like you're skipping leg days, right? You want to get them out a little bigger, a little beefier. The car's a big car. We're going to pump it out a little bit more to allow it to fit it, so it clears this plastic inside. Plastic is massive in the Rolls Royce. The nose is huge. So you can't put, like I said, you can't put that big tire on there. But 24s fit perfect. I did one on 26 and that was pretty nasty, but it did touch. 24s no touch. Listen guys, when you see this car done, you're gonna be like, wow, it's gonna look amazing. Almost done. Coast to Coast Customs, always something new.